Alright, here we go. We are in the blind. Smoke out. This is Bohemian Hunting Club. We're in the blind. Do you read me? Smoke out. Still transmitting. Bohemian Hunting Club. In the blind. Anyways, we're in the blind. And here's a just a camera idea tip for you. Well, you got the phone mounts. If you want to sit there in your stand, you get these are to hold like your trail cameras and things up. Well, let me show y'all. It's always good to take a cordless drill out there. I mean, you can do this without the cordless, but it's easier. With the cordless drill. And then we just go, so y'all can see what I'm talking about here. Then you just take one of these, they just simply just screw in. You can order all this on Amazon to move whatever your preference is. There we go. Get it. Now you go ahead. It's better to get one of the spring-loaded ones. This is the screw kind. But you just take your phone, if you're filming with your phone, you know, you put your phone up here. And if you're in a stand or blind with multiple angles, you have another one of these hooks on the other window. And, you know, you can move your phone over there without having to move the whole mount and everything else like that, just to keep it simple. And just some advice, you know, when you're trading in your phone, instead of just going for that trade-in, pay your phone off. And you could actually use your old phone to still record videos, especially if you got one of the more expensive, like the Galaxy Notes or the Apples and things like that. Pay it off, keep the phone. Well, I don't know if you can keep an Apple or not. I've never been an Apple customer, so I don't know about that. You know, but pay your phone off and get a new one, and then use your old phone to record on. That way you can still fiddle around while you're not seeing anything like us half the time, because everybody thinks, oh, you got feeders and you're seeing stuff all the time. Nah, the majority of the time we're not seeing anything, because it's just there's acorns and everything else out. It's not what you think. Come out here, woo-hoo, we're gonna go shoot the shit out of everything. No, not at all. But yeah, you get one of these, but I would definitely look at getting one that's just a hair bit quieter. Because that right there is making too much noise already. I'm going to tell you that alone. I don't like that. But if they're 100 yards away, that little bit ain't going to matter. But definitely get the spring load on these so you can slip in, slip out, slip in, slip out. Over here, it's easier when you're changing cameras and stuff like that. That way, it's just an idea for filming your hunts and making it a little bit easier. Or you can do, if you got the big cameras, you know, where you can screw on here or screw on the other one. But just be advised, when you're getting the camera, make sure it's got the swivel nut underneath, like here. So you just put the camera on top and you hold the camera and you're spinning that with the other finger. That way you're not turning the whole camera, because what you might not see and what can be seen from 100, 200 yards away is when your camera's turning, the sunlight hits that lens and you're just like a lighthouse getting everything's attention out there. It's like, oh, there's something over there. We're not going to go over there. So definitely get the swivels where you can tighten up from the bottom and do that. The less movement, the better you are. So that's it. Just a quick tip for camera setup on self-hunting. Thanks for watching.
Here's what I was talking about. Here's what I use on my tripod when I'm filming, is right there. You want to spring load it because it's just easier to, that's if you got a microphone and stuff. Easier to do, but there you go.